Rebuilding Trust, a guide to understanding and improvement. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase, rebuilding trust. Understanding this concept is not just about language, but also about human relationships and social dynamics. Let's dive in and unravel the layers of meaning behind these words. What is trust? Trust is a feeling of confidence and safety in a relationship, whether it's with a friend, family member, or colleague. It's believing that the other person will act with integrity and care. Trust is fundamental in all kinds of relationships. Now, let's talk about rebuilding. Rebuilding means constructing something again after it has been damaged or destroyed. When we talk about rebuilding in the context of trust, it implies that trust was broken or lost and now needs to be restored. So, when we combine these two words, rebuilding and trust, we get a powerful phrase. Rebuilding trust means working to regain confidence and reliability in a relationship after it has been damaged. This process usually involves communication, understanding, and time. Rebuilding trust isn't easy and doesn't happen overnight. It involves honesty, being open and truthful, responsibility, accepting mistakes and learning from them, consistency, showing reliable and predictable behavior, empathy, understanding and respecting feelings. 1. Personal relationships. After a misunderstanding, friends might work to rebuild trust by discussing their issues openly. 2. Professional settings. A manager who failed to support their team might rebuild trust by acknowledging the mistake and making amends. 3. International relations. Countries may rebuild trust through diplomatic efforts and treaties after conflicts. Rebuilding trust is a journey that requires patience, understanding, and effort. We hope this video helps you not only in learning English but also in appreciating the nuances of human relationships. Remember, rebuilding trust is about creating a stronger foundation for the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.